What if you could get legit off-road capability in a family hauler without watching your gas bill explode or dreading future repair costs? The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse Z71 delivers that sweet spot, rugged enough for trails, smart enough to keep ownership surprisingly affordable. Hey everyone, welcome to AeroNext Auto, where we break down the cars American families actually buy and live with every day. Today we're diving into the 2026 Chevrolet Traverse Z71, the off-road-oriented trim of Chevy's big three-row SUV that's turning heads for blending adventure with everyday sensibility. If you're shopping mid-size SUVs and want something that can handle a dirt road to the campsite without feeling like a penalty at the pump, stick around. Let's start with what makes the Z71 stand out. Unlike the base LT or luxury-focused high country, the Z71 adds real off-road hardware, advanced twin-clutch all-wheel drive, a tuned suspension with off-road damping, skid plates for underbody protection, all-terrain tires, hill descent control, and a dedicated terrain mode for slippery or uneven surfaces. It still packs the same 2.5-liter turbo four-cylinder as other Traverses, 328 horsepower and 326 pound-feet of torque, mated to an 8-speed automatic. Towing maxes at 5,000 pounds, solid for boats, campers, or trailers. On the road, it's surprisingly composed for a family SUV with off-road pretensions. The ride absorbs bumps well thanks to that suspension tuning, and the twin-clutch all-wheel drive gives confident grip in rain, snow, or light trails without the truck-like feel of bigger rigs. Inside, you're treated to Chevy's latest, a massive 17.7-inch touchscreen with Google built in for seamless Maps, Assistant, and apps, plus an 11-inch driver display. Seating for up to 8 or 7 with captain's chairs, flexible cargo space up to 98 cubic feet with rows folded, and thoughtful family touches like rear seat entertainment prep and easy access third row make it practical for carpools, road trips, and weekend getaways. Real-world testing shows it handles light off-roading better than most crossovers. Think gravel roads, mild trails, or snowy driveways, without sacrificing on highway manners. Fuel economy hovers around 19 to 20 miles per gallon city and 24 to 25 miles per gallon highway, AWD, competitive in the class and better than you'd expect from something this capable. Pricing starts at around $48,900 for the 2026 Traverse Z71 AWD in the US, before destination and options. Add-ons like the enhanced driving package for Super Cruise hands-free tech or premium paint can push it toward $52,000 to $55,000. But even loaded, it undercuts many rivals with similar features. In Canada, expect around 62,000 Canadian dollars. This addresses the big fear. Those off-road extras don't hammer resale or maintenance. Chevy's warranty covers the basics solidly, and the turbo engine has proven reliable in this generation. Compared to base models, you're paying for tangible upgrades, AWD standard, tires, protection, that enhance capability without turning it into a gas guzzler or parts nightmare. Real owners report it's cheaper to live with long-term than truck-based alternatives. The 2026 Chevrolet Traverse Z71 hits that rare balance, tough enough for adventures, comfortable and efficient enough for family life, and priced to feel smart. If you're cross-shopping three-row SUVs and want off-road confidence without the usual trade-offs, this one's worth a test drive. Drop a like if this helped your search, subscribe for more no BS breakdowns, and comment below, what's your top priority in a family SUV? See you in the next one!